Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on Hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. You can use your phone's mobile data to connect another phone, tablet or computer to the internet. And sharing an internet connection in this way is called tethering or using a hotspot. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, and then here you can select connection option. After that, in this page, you can choose mobile hotspot and tethering menu. Next, you can select mobile hotspot here. Okay, and then to turn it on, you can press this button. Well, and then for the second way, you can open control center on your device. Okay, after that, find the hotspot tool and then press on it for activating. Okay, so now the hotspot network on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn on hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.